Guys and girls, this is a broken door latch on the rear door of my 2000 Silverado. I'm sure this same latch is on the Sierras and a bunch of other models close to this year. As you can tell, the lever is broken. Therefore, you got to reach inside to open the door. So we're going to fix that. I ordered this off of Amazon, Truebuilt Automotive. It's a replacement door handle. So let's get right to it. Hopefully this will be a quick one. Need a Torx 30 bit to get these bits out. So let's remove the bits and see what we're working with. They are in there mighty tight. I guess I'm gonna call this a let's figure out how to, because I've never done this. So there are plastic washers on the back of these. It's on both of them. And the whole thing comes off. I'm assuming there's a cable somewhere. Or maybe not. Let me put these screws down so I don't lose them. But there is the broken latch. Okay, so there actually is no cable. It looks like when you pull on the handle, this arm pushes that way, which pushes the door latch. Cool, that should be pretty easy. Let's check out our new one. It's nice, clean, and shiny. And when you pull the handle, it actuates that little grabber that pushes on that. Cool. Give me a second, I'm going to clean that off a little bit before we stick the new one on. Alright, so we're going to take a little Windex. Just clean this off a little bit. Might as well, since we got it off and dirt and grime get up under there. There we go. Installing the new one seems as simple as making sure it fits and putting the bolts back in. So let's try it out. Make sure you got your plastic washers on the back of these. Feels good. Let's see what happens. Door shut. Door's open. There you go. Quick and easy. Those things were cheap. I think it was 10 bucks, 13 bucks, something like that. And we replaced our broken handle. 2 screws, pull the old one out, put the new one in. Hope this helps you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Chaos Garage.